Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about MCQs and detailed explanation on Constitution of India, which is very much important for all the competitive examination. First question, which article do not suspend during emergency? Option A 14 and 15, option B Article 20 and Article 19, option C Article 20 and 21, option D 23 and 24. And the right answer is Article 20 and 21. 20 and 21 is nothing but a right of life and personal liberty. Article 14 is equality before law. Article 15 should not discriminate based on religion, caste, etc. Article 19 freedom of speech. Article 23 is abolition of human trafficking and forced labor. Article 24 prohibition of employment of children in factories or industry. Next question, dash article is known as heart and soul of Constitution. Option A 23, option B Article 24, option C Article 32, option D Article 25. And the right answer is Article 32. Right to constitutional remedy. Article 32 is known as heart and soul of Constitution. An individual can move to the Supreme Court if there is a violation of a fundamental right. Whereas Article 23 and 24 already discussed in the previous slide. Article 25 is everybody is having right to follow their own religion and culture. Next question, Gram Panchayat mentioned in which article? Option A 30A, option B 40, option C 44, option D 45. And the right answer is 40. In Article 40, Gram Panchayati was mentioned. It is a self-government. Whereas Article 39 is important, which provide free legal aid, and Article 44 is uniform civil code, which means uniform codes will be mentioned to all the citizens so that they need to follow same codes with respect to marriage, divorce, maintenance, adoption, etc. Whereas Article 45 is compulsory free education for children below 6 years. Which article mentions separation of executive from judiciary? Option A Article 48, option B Article 48A, option C Article 50, option D 51. And the right answer is option C Article 50. Whereas Article 48 is about prohibiting the slaughtering of cow, Gohatte. Article 48 to protect and improve the environment, which was added in 42nd Amendment 1976. Article 51 international peace and security. Who elects president of our country? Option A member of legislative council and a member of legislative assembly. Option B member of legislative assembly plus member of parliament. Option C member of parliament and member of legislative assembly, or all the above. And the right answer is MLA plus MP. Here you need to remember the elected members of state assemblies of all the state and elected members of state assemblies, legislative assemblies of union territory and with national capital territory Delhi, Jammu Kashmir and Pondicherry are eligible to vote in presidential election. In brief, all the MPs plus elected MLAs, right, including Delhi and Jammu Kashmir, Pondicherry, will be eligible for voting in presidential election. Who is the highest law officer of the country? Option A Attorney General, option B Advocate General, option C Solicitor General, option D Chief Justice of India. And the right answer is option A. Attorney General is the highest law officer of the country, whereas Advocate General is the highest law officer of the state. Solicitor General is the second highest law officer of the country. Right. Attorney General was mentioned in Article 76 of our Constitution. Advocate General was mentioned in 165th of our Constitution, which you need to remember for all the examination. Who has authority to call the joint sitting? India is a bicameral system in which there will be both houses, Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Right. Option A President, B Vice President, option C Prime Minister, option D Lok Sabha Speaker. Who is going to call the joint sitting? President. President has a power to call the joint sitting and presided over by Lok Sabha. In his absence, Deputy Speaker will take the chair. In his absence, Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha will take the chair. And the article related to joint sitting is 108. Financial bill first passed in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or any of the house. Must and should the financial bill first pass, it should be passed in Lok Sabha only. In state legislative assembly, in legislative assembly only the financial bill should be passed. Which articles gives clarity on ordinance of president? Option A, Article 108. Option B, Article 123. Option C, Article 213. Option D, Article 112. And the right answer is option B, 123. When there is no sessions, then president has power to pass the ordinance. Article related to presidential ordinance is 123. The article which is related to governor ordinance is 213. 108 article is related to joint sitting. 112 related to financial bill. Who is the first woman chief justice of India? And the answers are option A, Justice H.J. Kanaya. Option B, Justice Fatima Bibi. Option C, Justice Y.V. Chandrachud. Option D, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. And the right answer is Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi is the first woman chief justice of India. Whereas Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is the present chief justice of India. Justice Y.V. Chandrachud is 16th chief justice of India. Whereas Justice H.J. Kanaya is the longest chief justice of Supreme Court.